This is your channel messages for the 27th of April. Virgo, let us see what is in your reading. So, me getting something about underground, on the digging. Me getting a lot of, no, me don't know if there's war overhead. As in it's no longer safe on land. Me getting on that dig tunnels. No, I am just not the type of woman who believes that I should do manly activity. If it's for a man does it. I would never try to take a responsibility of a man unless I need to overthrow him when it comes down to emotions. Because I mean, I am the moon, so usually we get to be emotional. Nevertheless, right? Me getting a lot of women. I don't know if this is covered up religious women. Me getting all on the side. The men, is the men at war? Getting y'all men at war. Because y'all bitches are crazy enough to send your man to war. You think my blood clot man would I go war? We're going to be like, oh my god, I can't. No, you're going to stay fucking here. That's what the fuck you going to do. So you send your man to war, kiss them goodbye. Stupid. And then after you do that, I want to say, you know what, as women, we're going to dig, we're going to find a place of safety. Me getting, this is not a basement. Me getting when I dig underground. No, me getting, first of all, the place look great. Very, very big and spacious. Me getting, even if there's a heavy blast above ground, it not gonna affect you no. The problem is, women, why you don't really do a man's job is, first of all, the oxygen level down there. Me getting, it don't have proper oxygen level. Me getting, when you enter this, whatever underground this is, first of all, it's very dusty. So me getting it keep a fall, the dust keep a fall. This is not a real, is it a real way on the digging, like slaves? I don't know what I do. Either way, but me getting a lot of women when I dig underground. Me getting when I dig out a big place for like a lot of people if can stay, or me don't know if I not try for travel underground to somewhere to safety. Me getting, first of all, the oxygen. All I cannot be down there breathing oxygen. And me getting the whole on the cover up. When you going pass the fuck out. Also, women, something that men did not tell you. When you dig underground, you need to make sure that certain rocks don't produce certain gas. Because that's how cave divers dead. Them not dead because them just in the cave underground. The rock them and the water and certain ammonia, certain things underneath the soil that low, you dig gas will come up now. Natural gases of the earth. So me getting something about all of you going to be in a place underground, the whole of going to get gas out. Because me getting is women who not dig. It's a great idea for a woman, but you have to understand the masculine side of it. The masculine, the same masculine that went to defend you guys, the masculine brain of it. You can't dig so far, so wide. You don't have oxygen down there. And yeah, I'm getting on a dig and on don't know that there's a gas down there. So if you sleep in that cave, you now wake up. But me getting gonna do a great job. Me like a lot of independent. Me getting the woman them on say on a dig, and me getting it look really, really good. But me getting, yeah, but the other side of it, you're not gas. Natural gases of the earth. We ain't talking about just roaches and cockroaches and worms. The soil produces a certain gas when it go too low. Let's go. Virgo. Is somebody into cutting rocks? Are you into buying rocks and cutting them in the middle? Because I know that's like an Asian thing. Is that an Asian thing? I don't know if it's Philippines or Asian thing. When we'll go to markets and buy rocks and go home, go cut it and look what's inside. I don't know if this is something like that's happening. A rock? You're cutting a rock? I'm getting something have gas. We have the Three of Wands coming out first. Okay, the Three of Wands is abandonment, turning your back on an idea. The Three of Wands can also be relocating. Are you moving? Maybe you're thinking to go back home. We have a Gemini card. Yeah, I'm getting Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You're thinking to leave. Go back. No, this could be a turning your back on somebody. All right. Yeah, I'm getting you turning your back on this relationship. All right. Or somebody's turning them back on you. I'm getting you're turning your back, ignoring this relationship. Maybe you're turning your back on a relationship to pursue somebody else. Or I'm getting Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You only have, the only two that can be is you and the girl who you're with. And let me just say to all these men, right, who is trying to brainwash women, but that they're so used up, them deserve a man who will support them but have two women. Sir, if you want two girls, I want two men. If you want two girls, I want two men. So go talk to any friend you like and tell him, say, yeah, I had this great idea as to how to control this bitch. Or to make these bitches, you know, try to meet and get along. And it's going to be two bitches, one on each blood clot arm. Okay, it's going to be two men, one a suck each breast. You not get it, so. You want two girls, I want two men. So again, me getting you turning your back on a relationship. Or me getting somebody's turning them back on you. Because it's only two people. Two people. It cannot be three. You want three. You want three? No. One going to eject itself. That's not how it works. You don't get that. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. The Nine of Cups can also be one you're married, you're engaged to one, but you're still meeting another. You're getting two, say two women. It could be something like that. It could also be something about you inviting your ex to a wedding. Don't do that. Don't do that. And if you're a man who's going to your ex wedding, do not bring a girl there. I know some on the nasty blood clot man stay. On the nasty. If you're going to if our ex tell you to come to our wedding, do not go to our wedding with a woman. Make your plus one be a friend, go alone. Don't bring no woman to the girl wedding. You used to fuck her. And if you're that jealous with seeing that woman being married off to another man without you feeling that insecure that you have to bring another woman, don't go to the wedding. Insecure men disgust me sometimes. It's one thing if them cute and insecure, but when them like... Let's go. 3 of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Swords. So Gemini, you have the sword. Libra, you have the sword. Aquarius, you have the sword. So I'm getting you're saying that you're making a decision. You are the one who's turning your back. You're going to leave. You're going to abandon somebody. You're trying to make it clear that you're the one who cannot deal with something. Okay, King of Swords is clarified by, yeah, it's you. You're trying to say that is you. It is you though. So even if this is even if it's something about you and somebody breaking up with each other, yeah, it's your fault. You're the defensive one. You're the one who's in defense. Or yeah, listen to multiple people. 2 of Cups. The 2 of Cups is dating. It could be dating a woman and now you're going to propose to her with the 9 of Cups. Or it could be something about you're engaged. Plus you're dating. Ooh, that's a feeling. Nah. 2 of Cups is clarified by the fact, yeah. You want 3. So this finished. It ended. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Is this the 2? 9 of Cups, the 2. 5 of Cups is a failed relationship. You're engaged to a girl you don't want to be engaged to. You're already married with a child. So you stuck with that bitch. Well, you're not really stuck with that bitch. You choose to be stuck, right? Yeah, but this dating thing are gonna end. Getting it over. And let me tell you something. If you and a girl break up or stop talk, and you're feeling mourning over this relationship, she left you. I'll tell you that. You never leave she. You don't leave a person and he's like, oh, it's so hard to walk away. You know why you walk away. 9 of Cups is clarified by the, yeah. Or maybe somebody can't walk away. Again, you're stuck with somebody. Maybe someone is stuck with you. 9 of Cups. I don't know if you already proposed to somebody. I'm getting it like you're saying somebody, I don't know, Gemini, you saying you having issues with your fiance, you having issues with your bride, but your bride won't leave and you say no. You have to change. There's no leaving. She have to change. Nope. Change for what? The only thing we change is change clothes, pearls and gold. clothes. Fancy. And take it back. Exchange clothes. Pearls and golds. And boy, I promise you, there's no substitute. It's just me. Sexy, sexy. Let's go. We have CIA. Yeah, it's like she can't leave. You don't propose to her. Maybe 2 months in the future you plan to propose to her, but things not going good right now. I think she trapped. You're trapping her. She feel trapped. Maybe she already said yes to the engagement, and now she engaged to you. You start treat her fucked up. And she's like, oh, this is not the person whom we sign up for being with. But you already tell your friends and everybody about this. Or according to some men, I already invest too much to walk away right now. Right? So she stuck with you? You said she can't leave. She won't cover up. Okay, she won't leave. No, she have to cover up. She can't leave. She have to cover up. You want me that? That's what you want? You want me to be very conservative and cover up and stop being like, I have a carefree. I have a kid. You're acting like you're talking about my age. Sweetie, the calendar still wants me, right? You're talking about her age, Brody. Carefree. That's what somebody upset. It's not about your age. They're upset because you don't have a care in the world. You don't have a care. What's your answer to? A child, a husband, a man, a woman, a wife? We don't have a care in the world. Is that what you want? You want me to cover up and stop cursing bad words and calm down and be more respectful? That's what you want? You'll never fucking get it. 2 more. We have Aquarius. Especially if there's Aquarius placement, you'll never get it. The soul was sold. We have Ophiuchus. And we also have illness. Allegedly. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.